So a week ago we were playing with my friend inside of Blender, as guys usually do, and after some time got this tower. So we thought to ourselves, hey, why not make a game out of this? We immediately got an idea of what we wanted exactly, and well... Yeah, we are making an RPG. Yes, this is our first game ever. You might say it's impossible to make such a game with a small team, and we aren't sure either, but please stick with us. At least give us a chance. So here we are ready in Unity Hub to create our new project. Let's call it Top-Down RPG. Yes, path already exists. This is all recorded after the process. Sorry for lying, everyone. So we are ready to start working. While I am making this beautiful zombie, my friend is writing a script for his movement. While I am making these walls and rocks, he is working on completing the player script. I was making the sword while he perfected the camera movements. Trust me, all of these graphics are going to look much better in Unity. And here is the proof. This is how the rocks look like when I made them in Blender. Here is how they look finalized in Unity. Can you spot the difference? I certainly can. This is what the walls look like. Textures are a really magical thing. Our first enemy, which by this point is fully animated and rigged. Never underestimate the power of a chest. And here is the full scene so far, ready to be played. So get ready, everyone. Control your character both by clicking and using your keyboard keys. Top-down camera and a third-person camera. Amazing fighting mechanics, all working seamlessly together. Well, so this is the first week of our game dev journey. Let us know if we are total failures or if we did at least decently. And follow our Twitter, because we will be posting much more frequently there. See you next week!